Hi, girls.
Hi.
Where are we going?
To see the monkeys.
The rainforest. All right.
Baby too, everybody.
Callie's got, here, let me get you, Callie. What do you have with you?
I have my baby. It's her first time seeing the rainforest.
That's right. All right, we're almost there. Oh, we got to put on our masks. Happy anniversary, my love.
Happy anniversary.
5 years.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you, sweetie. Okay, we're getting ready to enter the rainforest. Here we go. We gotta follow the pathway. We gotta follow the pathway and then we're going inside a building. See, it's a little bit rainy today. It's cold. It's 41 degrees. Here we go, run with Daddy. There they go. Okay, we're almost to the front. Here we go. There's like literally not one human in sight. I gotta put my mask on though. I'm coming. Callie has spotted a monkey. My God, look at it. Oh, okay, that is so cute. It's watching you. Look at its tail. Oh my gosh, 2. How cute. You know what, honey? I don't think we're allowed to go in that door, okay? We have to follow the pathway. Okay, it is Kelly. It looks like you. Kelly, it's watching you leave. Oh my God, I'm coming. There is no one in here. This is awesome. Babe, I think we have the place to ourselves. So we're following the path and it's gonna lead us to some animals. We'll see what we see first. Pretty cool in here. Callie said, follow me, everybody. Lexi wanted her jacket off. I'm getting kind of warm in here, actually. Callie, you don't want your jacket off, babe? Okay. Habitat viewing this way. Okay. Ooh, we're walking. Hi, handsome. All right. Here go the girls. There they go. There they go. What's in there? Daddy said there was only piles of monkey poop. I don't see any animals.
Is your animals out?
No, just poop. Let's go find some animals.
Hey, let's find some monkeys.
Ooh, they just redid this dome. It literally reopened like 4 weeks ago. All right, the girls are trying to call the monkey. Oh, is it? Pokemon. It's a porcupine.
It's a Pokemon.
Silly girl.
Those are all needles or quills in its back. So if it gets scared, like people.
Pretty cool.
So I think you take it in half.
Kelly sees birds. Ooh, wow. Wow, look at, they're all up so high. I see 5 of them. Hi, birdies. Okay, sing to him. Callie's singing to him. That was beautiful. Wow, look how long their beaks are. Anything else in here? Nothing else in there right now. What do you see? Oh my gosh, how cool. Callie and Lexi. Oh no, you're totally fine. Say thank you. Don't get too close. Don't scare him. Don't scare him. Oh, they are so cute. Oh my gosh. You don't want to scare him. Oh, honey. What? Honey, don't touch him. We don't want to scare him. Up where? I don't see it. It's gonna poop on us. Oh my.
What? What's on the poop?
It's right above my head. You think it's gonna poop on mommy? What do you think, Lexi? What is that? What is that? Oh my god. Hurry. What? Go up there, Daddy, I'll help you.
Yeah, see if you can see him. Oh my goodness, I always just see him walking away.
Oh, is he gonna?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
That is awesome.
Do you see
Look at him. What do you think, girls? Okay, I don't know if I've ever seen an anteater in my life. That is awesome. He's making his rounds. What do you think, Callie? Here he comes. Look at him. He is huge. Check more. Okay, hold on. Mommy wants to watch him. Now he's digging. Okay, that is cool. Oh, he is eating. Here he goes. I'm coming. Okay. They want to find more animals. Ooh, we're in the darkness. I don't see anything in there. Oh my gosh.
Look at him, buddy. You can see him better in this window.
That is awesome. Look, girls.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, he is totally on the move. Here he comes. He's saying hi to you. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, he's kissing you. Look, he likes you. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, he really likes you. Oh my god, he's like, feed me, please. Oh. Is this even normal? I don't even know. This is that is the coolest thing. I'm like in shock. Oh my gosh. What? Okay. How cute. Oh my god, I thought he was gonna fall.
Oh, he's playing.
Look at him go.
It's gotta be close to feeding time or something. I've never seen everyone so active.
Another one? You saying hello to him? The girls are saying hello. Daddy's showing Callie the leopard over there. He's all the way across. Look, your baby likes it too.
Jump.
She's so happy. All right, they want to find more animals. Let's see. Oh, look at the monkeys down here. Look how cute. I'm not sure what kind of monkeys those are. There's two of them just hanging out. Let's see.
I think it's gonna fall.
Monkeys.
What are they doing?
I don't know. They see us? It was just looking up here. You think it'll come?
I think it's going out with the dog.
Look at him.
What are they doing?
They're just hanging. I'm coming. Looking at you.
It was looking at me at first.
Do you guys want to see a pretty bird?
No, it's friends looking at you. Hi, monkeys. Bye-bye now. A macaw. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It's eating. Yeah, this is definitely like the time that they eat. We're here at a great time.
I want to see different animals.
You want to see different animals?
Animals.
Hey, Lexi.
Animals.
We are making our way back down to the stairs. They had a couple animals that are temporarily not in their enclosures anymore, like the otters and the orangutans. So we're gonna see what we can find down here. It's kind of hot in here. I'm glad I wore a t-shirt. Whoa! And she saves the fall. Good job, Miss Lexi. Is Daddy being silly? She's like staring at him. All right, let's see what's in here. Thank you. Ooh. Nice and dark in here. Ooh, anything? Let's see. There's something hanging. Oh my God, hurry. Is it a bat? Oh my God, they're bat. Oh. There's a ton of them. Oh my God. Okay, you guys.
They're eating fruit.
Girls, there are so many bats. Okay, I can't even count them. It's kind of hard because it's a little bit dark in here. There has got to be like 20. I mean, oh, look at him, look at his wings. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm trying to get him without the reflection. His wings are so cool. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how many are in there. Babe, look at it. He's trying to get himself to hang. What do you see? Whoa. It has teeth? Kelly says it has teeth. Okay, let me see. She said it had teeth. Oh. Where do you think you're going, huh? What do we see?
Blue poison dart claw frog.
What?
There's 2 of them.
Well, it's gonna
Don't
say,
bang on
oh,
that.
no banging on the glass. Okay, those are really, oh my gosh, there's 3.
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Are there even more? Do you see it, Daddy? You do now? I don't think there's more than 3. If there is, they're definitely hiding. But that is like,
Secretions of its skin.
oh my gosh, there's 4, babe. There's
Highly
2 right there.
Oh,
That's 2.
Getting it all.
I think they're lovers. There's 2. Oh my gosh, how cute. 2, 3, 4. Awesome. These bats though, just a sec, babe. They're both calling me. Kelly said crocodile. Lexi, there's 2 of them. Do you see that one all the way under the rock? Do you see it? Lexi, it's got whiskers. Do you see it, Sweet Pea? Right here in front of your face. Under the rock. Oh. How cool is that? And there's something waving its tail back there. It's not coming out though. Wow, Lexi.
What?
Okay, Kelly says she sees a crocodile. Where?
I'm gonna get scared they will move.
Okay, babe. It literally doesn't even look real. Has it blinked yet? It doesn't even look real to me. I mean, it most definitely is. Wow.
I want to see it move now. Hi, Crocky.
Orange tomato frog? What?
Anyone see it?
Anyone see it?
I found it.
She found it! Oh my gosh, I see it. Lexi, do you see
There's a
it?
little basket.
There's a bat. Turtles. Oh, they're sleeping. I am so obsessed with these bats. I mean, it is like the coolest thing ever to me. This one. Oh my gosh. Stella Luna. Hi, Daddy. Okay, setting up the piercing. Look at it opening its mouth. Oh. He is ready to party. Okay. Quite a few sleeping ones. Look at those. They're right next to each other. Just hanging out. That one is eating upside down. Oh my God. That would be me. Look at all these ones. They're just hanging there. This is the coolest thing ever. There's so many. I mean, if I could even count all those. Look at this one. It's moving. Oh. It is on the move. It's really good at climbing. There it goes. Oh my gosh. So cool. There's another one. Wow. Look at all those. Oh my God, he's eating. Look at him chomping away. There's another one eating. Amazing. Amazing. Bye, baddies.
We have dedicated over 7 million
Madagascar gecko. He's just like stuck to the glass. I'm going to find the girls. What do you see?
Squat down.
Oh my gosh. Oh. I feel like it's staring into my soul. Oh my God. It's like terrifying. No, thank you. No, thank you to snakes. Sorry, mommy was like way caught up in the bats. The bats were like, what? Say the ants go marching one by one, hoorah. Look at all these. Lots of ants. Oh, the ants are all in here too? Oh my gosh. Okay, this is pretty cool. They go all through this glass here, and you can like just watch them traveling. Okay, that's really cool. Oh, this one's got a leaf. There it goes. Go, buddy, go. Go, buddy, go. Leader of the pack. Flower. Oh, there's a flower beetle back there. A couple of you see the beetles? Pretty cool. There's some beetles in there. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see this. How cool is that, Callie and Lexi? Babe, did you see this? That the ants go, I didn't even notice. Oh my gosh, look at all these leaves that they have. Okay, Callie, watch. Lexi, look. Lexi, look at him. Look at him with the leaves. They're probably taking him back to their families. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. We got lucky today with all these animals and insects that we're seeing. There they go. That is awesome. Okay, here we go. Leaf cutter ants help each other. Look at, and that's where it, this is where it, well, starts or ends. I'm not really sure, but it goes all the way. Wow. Really cool. Kelly says she sees a spider. Okay, where, babe? Spider. Twin spotted, that's an assassin bug. Twin spotted assassin bug? They're twins just like you? All right, anything else? What's in here? Australian. Oh my gosh, there it is. Okay, that is crazy. Girls, okay, I have to show you this. I'm like, wait, is that it? And it actually is. Australian walking stick. Yeah, you would like not see that if you were just walking out and about. Do you see this, girls? Right where mommy's finger is? That is a bug. That's crazy. Might be too high for you to see. Okay. If I saw one of these like just crawling around in real life, now the glass is really dirty so it's hard to see, but you get the idea. I would like absolutely flip out. Madagascar hissing cockroach. Oh my gosh. The girls have made their way all the way over here. 2 crocodiles?
I don't know what they're really called.
Are you calling them a crocodile? We gotta find the sign.
It's down there, but
Oh, look at them swimming, Daddy. Kelly and Lexi. There they go. There's turtles swimming. Oh my gosh, look at the turtles, Bob.
I want to see some more.
They're like floating and oh, they're so cute. Kelly wants to see more. Whoa, those are cool. They're really long. Hey. She dropped her no, it's right there. She dropped it. Thank you. Okay, let's be careful up here. Oh, they see fishies. Those are big fishies. Okay, this is what's in there. That's Gharial. That's pretty cool. It's right up there, the big, huge, long thing laying on the land up there. That's what it is, babe.
There's 2 of them up there laying.
They're just
Up on the
sleeping.
beach.
They're relaxing.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
Right there where I'm sitting.
They're laying.
Girls. Okay, it just flew. I don't even know. It just flew from somewhere above. Do you see it? Girls, do you see it? I'm not even joking. This thing. It flew while we were staring up there. I didn't even have my camera on. That is too funny. What do you see in there? Look at them. Oh my gosh, there's 3. Okay. Are you watching, girls? They're flying around. Are you gonna fly again? Oh my gosh, there it goes. Are they playing together? Hi, monkeys. There it goes. What are you eating? The baby. We just walked out of the rainforest and the girls are eating Fruit Loops. It is currently raining. It's not awful, but they don't want to leave. So I think we're gonna try to walk into the zoo for a minute, but I don't even know if we're gonna see any animals. We'll see. Hi, babe. Daddy is thrilled. Daddy said he's cold and he wants to go to the car. Are you laughing under there?
Oh, yeah.
Well, honey, I can't promise you we're gonna see lots. We'll have to see who's out because it is raining. We'll check it out, okay? What do you see, Kelly? Look behind me. Oh, we found a puddle and we lost our beanie in the puddle. Girls, what animals are behind me? Elephant! There's actually quite a few out. 3 of them? Oh, the flamingos are awake. Hi, flamingos. Look at how many there are. They're so pretty. Look at it. Look at that one. That is awesome. Aren't they so beautiful?
How's that? Better?
I'm watching you. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I think I'm ready for food.
Let's go find.
Let's go, girls. Hi, Zoo. Bye. Oh my gosh, she goes, I'm not starving. She doesn't want to leave. Come on, Lexi. Yeah, the rain's starting to come down too. She does not want to leave. Here goes Callie. All right, Callie. Callie's the leader. Callie's the leader. Oh, she just wants to jump in a puddle. Hurry, hurry. Okay, it's starting to get breezy and it's rainy and it's cold. I think it's like 40 degrees. With the rain and the breeze, Callie is on a mission and here comes Miss Lexi. Daddy's catching up with Callie. Hey Lexi, can you say bye friends?
Bye, bye.
Bye friends. See you next time.